Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to make someone admin on your Discord server. Here's how to do it. Open your Discord app, navigate to your server, click and hold the icon of your server, click on more options. Now click on settings. You have to scroll down and click on members. Here you're going to look for the member you want to make an admin. Let's say for example I want to make Andrew23 admin. Click on it. Next thing you have to do is to click on edit roles. Click on admin and click on save. From now on, Andrew23 will be the admin of your Discord server. So that's how you make someone admin on Discord. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.